The first thing you'll need is a container for the briquette to burn in. Here are two types of containers. On the right, a censer with a chain to suspend it by, useful for carrying the burning incense around. On the left is a cauldron with a fitted lid, which is nice if you need to snuff out the briquette early. My first container was this 4-inch ramekin, usually used to make creme brulee. It is oven-proof, which makes it nicely heat-proof because the briquette does put off a lot of heat. To help contain the heat further, I filled it about halfway with clean clay cat litter. I like to use a pair of disposable chopsticks just as an added safety measure when lighting the briquette. You'll want to place just the edge of it into a flame for a few seconds. As soon as it begins to light, you can move it out. You can tell it's working by the red sparks that are moving across the surface of the briquette. Once the sparks have spread over the entire surface, you've lit it successfully. It does put off a good bit of foul-smelling smoke when you first light it, so I suggest doing that in a well-ventilated area. Just lay the briquette in the center of your container and give it a few seconds to warm up completely. You'll want to put it where the dip in the center is facing up so it will hold the loose incense. Once the edge starts turning a little gray, that usually means the entire round is ready. When you have it positioned and it's warmed up, just take a little of your incense and sprinkle it over the briquette. It will begin to smolder immediately.